Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove text box background color in Microsoft Word document. So get started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, in this video, I will show that remove text box background color. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for the text box. Now going to the format menu option. Then click on the shape fill option. Then click for the no fill option. That's it. Then again apply from the same process. Now click for the background text box. Now going to the format menu option. Then click for the shape fill option. Then click for the no fill option. That's it. Then show the remove text box background color in Microsoft Word document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.